Welcome to Mesh Master, a brief but deep dive into procedural mesh creation, dynamic animations, and basic VR interaction in the Unity games engine. In this video, you're going to see how I generate two meshes at runtime, a Pentagonal Prism and a Hexagonal Pyramid, and then animate them along Lissajous curves, add rotation, color changes, and Perlin-noise to affect vertices, and even add VR controller-based attraction to these generated meshes. Let's begin with the procedural mesh creation. Our base class, procedural mesh, instantiates child game objects, adds mesh filter and mesh renderer components, and each subclass's build mesh method. Here's the Pentagonal Prism, or Object A, with caps and sides, and the Hexagonal Pyramid, or Object B, with its fan and triangular faces, each with outward-facing normals. Next, let's talk about the Lissajous Curve Mover script component. This animates each of the objects along a classic Lissajous path using the parametric equation here. In the inspector, you can tweak the amplitudes, labelled A and B, frequency multipliers, phase offset, and the global speed factor of which each object moves along its corresponding curve. You can also adjust the curve resolution and line width, and toggle the line renderer on or off to see the path updates live as you change these values. As you can also see here, Object A constantly rotates towards Object B using quaternion.rotateTowards at a configurable angular speed. We calculate the face towards target dot product to smoothly lerp its material color from red when the pyramid is in front to blue when it's behind. To add an organic vibe to our Pentagonal Prism, we displace each of its vertices along its normal direction by Perlin-noise, controlled by amplitude, frequency, and speed. When you toggle noise off, we instantly restore the original mesh to prevent distortion drift. As an extra, I implemented Unity's XR interaction toolkit. With this, we parent the mover under the XR rig's camera so the animations stay fixed in front of you. We expose an attractor transform in the Lissajous curve mover, so you can assign your right hand controller to pull Object A and your left for Object B. As you move your controllers within a specified range, each mesh smoothly blends from its curve path to your hand's position. That is Mesh Master in a nutshell. Check out the repo for the full source code and demo scenes, and tweak the parameters and explore extending it in the future. Maybe add full physics-based springs or more complex AR or VR interactions. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and happy prototyping.